When it comes to girls, I'm on top and I'm keeping it fresh. What the deal? You won't settle for less, and I can give it to you, boy. If you want it, I can slip in your dress. Lay your hand on the top of my chest. Yes, I like it. Nasty, freaky, trashy, greasy. I love it when you flash and tease me. A little revealing. It seems to be keeping me breathing. Tell me if you like it freaky. You feel me?
I like the way you feel up against the wall, hands side to side. Tell me, do you like it? I like the way you face against the wall, legs side to side. Tell me, do you like it? I like the way you take one look at me. You make me wanna fly. Tell me, do you like it? You feel good.
Something freaking wild.